definitely feel stuff around the islands, like spiritually. There's definitely some spots where you're just like, wow, this is definitely one of those places. I want that weather, and I want it to be dark and cloudy and rainy and muddy, and nobody else is out here, and that's what I want. But then you have to appreciate where you are. You're outside, you're in these last of these wild places, and I can't think of anything better than that. There's, things you can't see anywhere else in the world except right here.
I don't really have to get ready for it. I'm ready for it. I swim a lot, I run, I paddle. I can get off the couch and paddle across the channel. It's no big deal.